Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we're going to learn how to use present simple, but this time in the interrogative form. So are you ready? Let's start. How to ask a question in English. How to ask a question. So let's see. The interrogative form is the auxiliary verb do or does plus subject plus verb in the infinitive plus the question mark. Okay? Do you work in a bank? Does she work in a bank? As we saw before, for do in I, you, we, they, okay, it stands do. But for he, she, and it is conjugated and it becomes does. Okay, do you remember the last lesson we did? So, how to answer a short answer. Let's see. We answer using the auxiliary. Yes, I do. Or yes, she does. No, I don't. No, she doesn't. Okay? Here we use the auxiliary verb that we used in the interrogative form. Let's practice. Do I play tennis? You see here, for the auxiliary, it is moved to the front. Do I play tennis? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you play tennis? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Does he play tennis? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Did you see here? Do is conjugated and it becomes does in he and she and it. Does she play tennis? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does it play tennis? No, it doesn't. Do we play tennis? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do you play tennis? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Do they play tennis? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Summary. Do plus I, you, we, and they plus a verb in the infinitive plus the question mark. Okay, this is the form, in the interrogative form. Do, which is moved to the front, plus subject, plus verb in the infinitive, plus the question mark, of course. For he, she, and it, we use does. So does plus subject, he, she, and it, plus verb in the infinitive, plus question mark. Okay? Short answers. Yes. I, you, we, they, plus do. Yes, he, she, it, plus does. Or no, the negative form. No, I, you, we, they, plus don't. He, she, it, plus doesn't. Okay, so yes, I do. Yes, he does. No, I don't. No, he doesn't. Try to practice with the following verbs. Verb to wake, eat, drink, work, smile, write, have, catch, try, do, wish, mix. Okay? So try to practice with what we saw before and of course using the auxiliary do. Okay? Do in I, we, you, they, and does in he, she, and it. Okay? So wish you good luck and see you soon.